This lecture is for class 8A section, subject English language, and today's topic is articles. Yes, dear children, first of all I will show you the cover page of your book. Please see. Yes, this is your English language book, Anytime English Grammar and Composition, Evergreen. Today's topic is articles. This is chapter 14, page 87. A, an and the are commonly called articles. Articles are of two types, definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is the and indefinite article is a and an. Definite article the points to some particular person or particular thing. So please see, this is the keyword particular. So the is definite article and it points out to particular person or particular thing. Then second type of article is indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. They do not refers to any particular person or any particular thing. Now today's topic I have taken the definite article the, its usage. Please see the first point. Definite article the is used before a noun when one is referring to someone or something already mentioned. With example you will follow. She has bought a car. So we have talked about the car. Now we are referring to the same thing in the next sentence. Then we will use the article the. We are talking about the car. The car is very expensive. So the is used before a thing already mentioned. Now please see, this is the very important point. Article the is used before unique things. Example, the sun, the moon, the stars, the earth, the planet. So the definite article the is used before unique things of nature. Now please see. Page number 88 of your book. This point, 7 point. The article is used with the name of musical instrument. One example is given. She plays the guitar. So article the will be used here before musical instrument. The guitar, the piano, any other musical instrument. Now next point, article the is used with proper nouns referring to a family. For example, the Rathors, the Browns, family name और भी बता सकते हैं, the Sharmas, the Khans, so referring to a family. Then point number 9, the proper noun referring to geographical places. Geographical places. The Pacific Ocean. Article the will be used here. You can give other example also. The Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Then the Suez Canal. Article the will be used here. The Panama Canal. Then next point. With the names of countries written in abbreviations. Please see this word. This is the keyword abbreviations. The USA is used in abbreviation form. The UK. So article the will be used before these countries. Then with the country that have plural nouns. You can see here plural nouns. The Philippines. the Netherlands. Then the is used with some titles or name of organization. The UNO, the Queen of England. Then next, this is the basic point. Article the is used with the name of buildings, newspapers, work of art. So before the name of buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. Before the name of newspaper, the Hindustan Times. You can see the article the Times of India. Then works of art, the Mona Lisa. So in this article the will be used. Then with the name of mountain ranges, the Alps. You can also give the example, the Himalayas. Then group of island, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then river, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Mahanadi. So before the name of river, this is very important point. Then before the name of oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Then 15 point is with natural directions, the north, the south, the east, the west. Then with adjectives such as rich, poor, young, old, unemployed. The rich, the poor, the young. Then the is used before the names of nationalities, the Britishers, the Indians. Now this is the most important point. The article is used with the superlative degree of adjectives. The best, 3 degrees, good, better, best. तो बेस्ट के आगे आपको द आर्टिकल लगाना है. द हैप्पीएस्ट, द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट. सो बिफोर द सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. देन बिफोर कंपैरेटिव कंस्ट्रक्शंस, द मोर, द बेटर. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, बिफोर द प्रॉपर नाउन व्हेन इट इज क्वालिफाइड बाय एन एडजेक्टिव. इट इज प्रॉपर नाउन but it is qualified by an adjective. We use the adjective immortal. The immortal Shakespeare. Here also adjective is there added with the proper noun. The great Dickens, Charles Dickens. So the great Charles Dickens. Then before certain expressions of time, the day before, the week after, next. Then next point, the article is used before natural times, the morning, the evening. So student, today you have studied about the articles, that is the definite article, its usage. I will give you exercise. Please do it and please submit the homework today positively. Thank you.